Good evening. My name is David, and this evening I'm going to introduce and demonstrate to you 3 methods for peeling an orange. How many people in the classroom this evening has eaten an orange in the last 6 months? A lot of you. Of those who raised their hands, how many have eaten it with the skin still attached? Probably none of you. Nobody I know eats an orange with the skin still on it. So I'm going to introduce 3 methods to help you get the skin off so you can enjoy the juicy center part of an orange. The first method we're going to discuss is the traditional method. The second method utilizes a peeling tool. And the last method is what I call unrolling it into a strip. So why am I in front of you teaching this evening? Well, first and foremost, I've had 40 years experience of peeling oranges. Secondly, my wife has personally taught me each and every one of these methods. So, here we go. If there's no questions, we'll go ahead and get started. First method we discussed was called the traditional method. With the traditional method, you need an orange. So you take an orange as such, and you're going to utilize your index finger, the right one if you're right-handed, and you're simply going to dig into the orange, and you're going to start peeling away bits of the orange peel. And you're going to do this all the way through until you get to the center, juicy center of an orange. Easy, everybody's done it. Second method that we're going to talk about utilizes the peeling tool, and here it is. The peeling tool has a kind of a plastic edge on one end of it, which we're going to use to make our cuts. The second side of it has a flat blade, which we can use to peel the skin away from the orange. So if you're right-handed, take your orange, you start at the top of the orange, and you're going to make a cut down from the top to the bottom. Turn it around 180 degrees. Make another cut all the way down. Turn it about 90 degrees. Make your third cut. Make sure you put enough pressure on to make sure you get a nice even cut. And turn it 180 degrees, and you're going to make your fourth and final cut. Once you've made your cuts, the blade on the other end is useful for peeling the orange away from it, from the orange, the peel away from the orange, get it started. Once you've got it started, then you just start peeling away like we did in our traditional method, disposing of all of our orange peels in the garbage can. Some oranges are a little easier to peel than others. This one's being a little more difficult, but the cuts definitely make it easier to do that. And when you're all done, you'll have the nice juicy center of the orange that you can eat. The last method that I'm going to introduce you to is called the unrolling it into a strip method. Now with this technique, we're going to utilize a knife and our orange, and we're going to cut off each end of the orange. Do it as such. Again, throw these in the garbage. Keep a clean work area so that your orange looks like that. You're going to take your knife, or if you want to use your orange peeling tool, you can, and we're going to make one slit from the top of the orange all the way down the side till we get to the bottom. Set your knife aside, and you're going to take your orange, set it down on your cutting board, and you're going to slowly start unrolling your orange into a strip. Now this is great when you need a decorative look, or if you just want the wedges of an orange. So when you're all done, your orange should be unrolled in a strip very similar to this. Any questions so far? Okay, no questions. So in summary, I introduced to you 3 methods for peeling an orange. The first method we discussed was the traditional method utilizing the index finger. The second method utilized a peeling tool, either by Tupperware or Sunkist. And last but not least, we utilized a knife for the unrolling into a strip method. Nobody I know normally will eat an orange with the skin still attached. So the 3 methods I've introduced you to this evening will help you to get rid of the skin and allow you to eat the juicy center of the orange. Any questions? Thank you.